Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to draw a mouth and eyes. When drawing a sketch, be careful to draw the mouth and nose in a straight line. When painting, control the moisture so that the color will be more even when it dries. Using brown shading when the first layer of color is not dry. Blow dry. Paint the lips, start from the middle. Use a clean brush to smudge. Use purple to paint the shaded part of the nose. Use dark blue to paint the details of the mouth and the background. Paint the highlights. Draw a detailed sketch. Flat paint. Choose a light color to draw the eyes. The eyebrows do not need to be drawn neatly. Draw the eye socket with brown. Use brown to paint the pupils. Smudge with water. Draw eyelashes with gray. Darker colors need to be overlaid slowly. Overlay the lashes with black over the previous ones. Finish by deepening the eye with red browns. Thanks for watching.